I'm playing against a normie, Shuji Nakamura. His offline life is perfect. He's number... Whereas I'm not here. Not when I'm in this world.
My character sucked.
If I win, you'll admit I'm better.
Yeah, fine. I'll acknowledge your mad skills or whatever.
But that's not all.
Huh?
You insulted TAC-Fam by calling it garbage. I want you to say it's a god-tier game.
Yeah, I am so down with that. If there's caffeine, count me in!
Life is a god-tier game, or so one famous copy pasta goes. But from where I stand, that's total BS. You get crapped on because of your looks, build, age, things you can't help. Doesn't I'm a good example. And I know what some people would say to me. You suck at it because you're not trying hard enough. Sure. As if the people who think that aren't biased and born with Mac gaming. Anyway, I've dominated enough titles to know how reality stacks without even playing. No name. He refined his counter strategy too. This could be close. Still, I'm bet he's training. Now it makes sense. He's been eating my moves, learning how to dodge them. A TM? Rumors should already be going around. How I took on Nakamura.
Please make sure you take good notes.
I haven't heard anyone say a word yet. Any grade, even at sports. She's the top female athlete in our school. Track and field all-star. A classic Japanese beauty with brains to match. She has a simple innocence to her. The perfect heroine, loved by everyone at school. Going here's all we have in common. Being around her, I don't feel a sense of likability as much as sheer awe.
Dumb game. Come on, Aoi, let's go.
Gotta run. Just ignore him.
Is that you? No name? Doesn't matter if it is. Some things are better. It's rude being so blunt to someone you hardly know.
Dirt-caked sneakers, jeans with tattered hems, shirt full of wrinkles. And what about all...
This is who I am, and I'm fine with that. Being a loner suits me, and it's fun in its own way. Did this happen?
beat Nanashi and TAC-Fam. In my eyes, you're around scared. And that infuriates me! But in actuality, it has a beautiful structure consisting of simple rules. Fumiya Tomozaki. No, Nanashi.
I've watched you play. I can see all the effort. I've been playing TAC-Fam entirely for myself. And while I devoted so much time to being the best at. If life is God tier, and it's the way you're describing it,
You'll be wearing one of these masks while grinning, going about your business constantly beaming. Oh yeah, it almost slipped my mind. So technically this was an offline meeting between No Name and Nanashi.
yeah, we did.
Ugh, bruh! Don't you get it? You're creepy enough as it is. Well, atmosphere's kinda neat, huh?
Yeah, feels like an abandoned building.
You're going to talk to at least 3 girls at school.
In which case, I have no choice but to go through with this.